something, Gabby? Voilà. Voilà. 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Wow. That's huge.
Bonjour, Chef Christophe. Look at this beautiful truffle. I am very, very excited. It's still a truffle season. Let's do some things together. Surprise! We've got today a very original recipe. It's a fresh black truffle ice cream. But first of all, first steps, wash your hands. Here are the ingredients. 750 ml of full cream milk, 15 yolks, which is a beautiful organic eggs from the farm, 300 grams of white sugar, 300 ml of pouring cream, and 20 grams of great truffle inside. And of course, 1 fresh vanilla bean, and truffle à volonté. First step, bring the milk to the boil, and we will now infuse the fresh vanilla bean inside. So just cut in half, like this, using a very good knife, sharp knife, and remove the seeds, like this. Add the vanilla bean to the milk. And reuse this part to put in the sugar because it's still very, very aromatic. Separate the yolk from the white, which is clarifié in French. And it's a good opportunity also to check if the egg is fresh or not. So now we just add the sugar to the yolks, and we will cream yolks and sugar together to make sure the yolks doesn't cook with the concentration of the sugar. Let's go. Voila. So cream the yolks and sugar using a whisk. Until the color starts to be clear, like a cream. We call that blanchir in French. Very good exercise. Voilà. Okay, so now the color is clear, it's beautiful, smooth, nice cream, and I will add now the hot milk and vanilla. Let's go. Alors, carefully, just to make sure the yolk doesn't cook. Voilà. Lots of bubble, which is completely normal. So let's cook again now this crème anglaise. Back to the pot, like this. With the vanilla bean still inside. In the meantime, I organize a cold bain-marie with cold water and ice cube just to stop the crème anglaise to cook. Keep the same bowl, place in the cold bain-marie, and now we are ready to finish the crème anglaise, which is cooking slowly using a wooden spatula, not a whisk anymore. And I'm cooking with a special shape, which is the 8 shape. Alors, all the bubbles on top of the crème anglaise will disappear when the consistency will be right. So that means 72 degrees. Let's see that together. Voilà. Nice. So in French, we say cuire à la nappe, cooking à la nappe. So the right consistency. So the bubbles, as you see, are already gone. See? Consistency start to change. How can be sure if it's right? I will show you with the spatula. I will try to make a mark with my fingers, like this. If the mark stay on the spatula, that means we are not far. Alors, let's transfer now the crème anglaise from the copper pot to the cold bain-marie. Look at this, it's beautiful. And now, I keep going, cooling the crème anglaise using the spatula, okay? Temperature is down there, so we'll pour the pouring cream and the truffle already inside of the cream. So I leave the truffle to infuse a day before to get maximum of aroma and flavor. So I will shave some truffle using a truffle mandoline. C'est merveilleux. Alors regardez. Watch. Incorporate now the truffle carefully in this famous crème anglaise. And the last steps will be using an ice cream maker, of course, to get this smooth, creamy, onctuous, delicious and exceptional truffle ice cream from Chef Christophe. Time now to transfer this crème anglaise to the ice cream maker. So good. Half an hour only. Let's try it. Come here with me. Okay, let's now transfer this beautiful ice cream in a frozen bowl. Let's plate. So spoons in a hot water. A beautiful little canal of ice cream. Look at this. Finally, aha! But what's missing? Ta-da! Truffle ice cream. I like the truffle season. Let's try. It's really special. We've got the deep aroma of black truffle. It's just very unique. I really love my truffles. I like recipe with truffles. Please don't be scared to use truffle. This is the best ingredients we can use in the kitchen. Merci les amis, à bientôt. Au revoir. Half an hour only. Ah, eh ben non. Il y a un con qui a débranché la machine. Ah non, non. Je commence.